If you want to connect a USB flash drive to your Motorola Moto G56, what you have to do is most likely you need to use an adapter that looks, for example, like this. This is of course especially needed or required when you have USB type A flash drive like I do over here. So in this case, we need to use an adapter that converts USB type A into USB type C so that we can connect the flash drive to the adapter and then of course the adapter to the port that we have at the bottom of the phone. And after that, you should see a notification that the flash drive has been added. It should be detected immediately after that. So you can, for example, go to the Files app, to the File Manager, in order to find the storage, the flash drive storage. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.